Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your items to AutoDS. So you come here on the left side and then you click my products and then you choose a folder, for example this one, Amazon or YouTube, and you see all your products like this. Then you can upload them all to AutoDS. This pop-up is going to come here, you choose AutoDS, you select the store like this, marketplace, and the title source. I always recommend going with the supplier title source, and then you can exclude Vero brands and exclude restricted keywords, and then you upload items, and then I'll upload items in progress, or if you want you can also upload them individually like this, upload selected, and then you go through the same process. You choose AutoDS as a lister, you select your store, and then upload items. Okay, and then you log into AutoDS and manage your listings from there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day.